Hey everyone. So with the cost of food spiraling ever upward, perhaps it's time to try out some of the lesser favored cuts of beef. For example, the inside round steak. So in this video we're going to prepare a couple of these, less than tender cuts and see how they come out in the Ninja Foodi. So just so you know, I'm also trying out a simple marinade as well. So here's my conclusion. I tested the steaks at the 12-minute mark and they were pretty tender and juicy and around medium rare. We prefer well done, so I put them back in for another 4 minutes. In the end, they were still pretty tender and juicy for well done. So that said, for our palate, next time I'll forego using a marinade as we prefer just the simple taste of the beef alone. So, thanks for watching. Leave me a comment or drop me a message. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Then hit that bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. In the meantime, stay safe and enjoy your day. Wishing you peace, health, and harmony. Bye for now.